Welcome to the 2025 Spinner Open House here in Sauerlach, Germany. Follow us. We want to show you all the amazing machines we're showing here today. Of course, we are featuring a lot of our partners as well as the amazing machines that we make. Here we got some sample parts that we make. Just amazing pieces of craftsmanship of a spinner over the years. So follow me. We're joined by Siemens, Heidenhain, and Fanuc. These are the favorite controls that we use in our machines, our preferred partners for software, and of course automation is being a very important part of this open house. Our customers demand it, and we give our customers what they need. So here we have a standalone spinner automation featuring different parts, a lot of flexibility for part handling. And of course here we have integrated a ROBOBOX into a 630 5-axis machine. So take a look at that and see this beautiful process that we got going on there. We could spend all day looking at these machines making chips, but I want to show you a little more. And here we have a triple turret lathe. So this is the Spinner TTS. I think most of you know this machine with Fanuc control, beautiful interface, and of course very compact, high precision 3-turret turning center that it's going to meet any high production requirements. A multitasking beast. So again, we're here in Sauerlach. This is the home of a Spinner, our 2025 open house, and we're featuring several processes. Here in this machine, and this is the U5-1530, we're showing you how we make our own turrets here in-house. So we actually machine our own components, our spindles, our turrets, and this is an example of how we go about doing that. One of the amazing processes we got, and again, a lot of turning, a lot of 5-axis milling. This machine now is very special. This is the new big TTS 85, 2 turrets, automation integrated into the machine. And we can take a look here into how the machine is really built, very large parts. You can handle chips in a very special and efficient way. Of course, in this case, you got turrets with 12 stations, BMT 65. But actually, I want to show you, we have one of these machines running over here. I think it'll be very amazing to see. And here we're showing the process of how this big machine can handle parts cutting with both turrets on each spindle at the same time. So a lot of flexibility and a lot of capabilities. So we've seen a lot of machines so far, but I think the MICROTURN is one we always have to show you. Here, of course, we have the MICROTURN LTBS. This is part of our ultra-high-precision machine family. Main spindle, sub-spindle, turret with full Y-axis, B-axis with 72 turrets, tools in the turret and in the B-axis, and of course the gun-style tooling for ultra-high-precision, hard turning, and of course a beautiful interface for our Siemens control in this machine. Fully digital, a spectacular control for this machine. Of course, more automation, and here you got a very special machine, the MICROTURN, with integrated automation inside of the machine. You can see, of course, the full turret with Y-axis in this machine, and the fully integrated robotics for these very high precision parts. So we got a lot more to show you. A couple more.